This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the layout of your slides in Google Slides. Here I have a presentation, and currently I'm in what's called the title layout. If I want to change the layout of the slide where Google Slides will have some text boxes formatted a certain way, what you do is you click anywhere on the slide until you see these four options at the top, and you want to click Layout. When you click Layout, you see that I'm on the title slide, but if I want to have just a title and I want that title to be at the top of the screen, I would click Title Only. And notice how it shifts the content in my slide to fit that new layout. If I want to have a layout with just a main point, then I would click Main Point and it would make the word presentation the main point. And since I had the word sample in my first slide, that remains there. But if you don't want that there, you can always edit it. I'll give you one more example. If I want a title and body slide, then you select Title and Body. And so it'll make the word presentation a part of the title of that slide and sample a part of the body. So changing the layout of Google Slides allows you to change how your slide appears based on some popular ways of making slides. You can also use a blank slide and then from there insert your own text boxes to create the type of slide that you want. And again, since this slide had text in it already, it didn't really change. But if I were to open up a new slide and then select layout and then select blank, it's now blank. Then from there, you can insert a text box by clicking the T and the T up here and then drawing your text box and drawing another one if you wish, and then entering the text how you want it to appear. So this video shows you how to change the layout of your slides in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.